So, it's summer, it's hot, and ice cream is always delicious. 3 things we can probably all agree on. Today we reinvent the ice cream cake to something that's a little bit more macro-friendly. All you need is a couple ingredients you probably already have on hand. So let's just get right into it. Start this one with either a food processor or blender, then add into it 1 banana, 1/4 cup of light cream, 2 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of brown rice syrup, 3 containers of Greek yogurt, 3 scoops of this Lean Body Nutrition Vanilla Lean Body MRP, which I always link to below if you want to check it out, and half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Go ahead and process or blend those together for a minute or 2 until you see it thicken up like this. Next, take out a loaf pan, line it with some optional parchment paper so it's easier to take out, and then add your mix in. Now we're gonna add on our graham cracker layer. My preference here is to just use some of these crushed up pre-made pie crusts, but if you want a healthier alternative, just use some graham cracker crumbs. For the last layer, mix together another container of Greek yogurt and 1 cup of a frozen or fresh fruit. Mixing these together, make sure to mash in your fruit so it looks like this. Add that layer on top, smooth it out, cover it, and throw it in the freezer for a few hours. Couple tips. Use any flavored Greek yogurt or protein powder you want, as long as it complements the fruit you're using. Use reduced fat or fat-free ingredients to cut down on the calories, and top or add into it anything you want, like chocolate chips, sprinkles, and so on. With that, drop a comment below with your favorite ice cream topping. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out Lean Body Nutrition and all of their great products in the description below. Subscribe, turn on notifications if you haven't already, and of course, stay healthy.